Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through an honest, direct comparison between Zoho Books and QuickBooks to help you decide which accounting software is actually better for your business. Let us start with the biggest factor for most small businesses, which is the overall cost. Zoho Books completely destroys QuickBooks when it comes to pricing, offering a completely free tier for businesses making under $50,000 a year and paid plans that are a fraction of the cost of QuickBooks. On top of that, Zoho includes things like multi-currency tracking and client portals in their lower tiers, whereas QuickBooks locks those exact same features behind their expensive $90 and $200 monthly plans. If you are run by a small team, a solo freelancer, or you are already using other applications in the Zoho ecosystem, like their CRM, Zoho Books is incredibly powerful and will save you thousands of dollars. However, QuickBooks holds one massive, undeniable advantage that keeps it at the top of the industry, and that is the accountant ecosystem. Almost every single certified public accountant and bookkeeper in the country is trained specifically on QuickBooks, meaning if you use it, handing over your financial records at tax time is completely seamless. QuickBooks also offers significantly deeper financial reporting, more advanced forecasting tools, and effortless native integrations with over 700 third-party apps, making it the safer option if you plan to scale past $10 million or work closely with an outside agency. So the final verdict comes down to your operational style. If you want a cost-effective platform with advanced automated workflows, choose Zoho Books. But if you want zero friction with your personal accountant, stick with QuickBooks. Subscribe the channel for more videos.